All right, so back up the cabin, and the plan for today is to put two windows in that side of the cabin. We're gonna go check the deer cams first, see what we got on the cams, and then come back down and put those two windows in. So that's the plan. All right, no real shock. There's nothing really on that camera. I was just hoping to get something walking down the main trail. So I'm going to leave it up for a couple more weeks and see if anything comes down there. But other than that, nothing of any interest on that. Now I'm going to head up to the watering hole where I know there's traffic. So we'll check that one. All right, so something kind of interesting and disappointing at the same time is the moose has not come back. So something else also happened where there was no activity here for almost a week. So something's going on. Maybe there's some coyotes in the area, I'm not sure, but the doe and the fawns came back this morning, but they had been gone for a week. So they were probably going down to the stream, but something pushed them away from here. So I'm gonna keep the camera up here for a few more weeks and see what happens. I'm gonna probably go set one back up at the moose bed site, see if I can get the moose again. And other than that, the traffic here is kind of slowed down. So we'll see what else we can get on the cams. So I got most of the demo done for the windows to be installed. This whole wall was nothing but rat's nest. Probably 20 years worth of rat's nest. The cabin's about 50 years old, and you can see how they framed it with 2x6, and they tried to put insulation in there, and the rats and mice just made a big nest of it. You can see I still got a little bit of a nest up there, but I mean the walls were full of nests. So now I'm going to frame out the two windows I got and get those done before the end of the day. So I got the two windows in. Other than a short fall off the ladder, jamming my shoulder, went okay. Got both windows in. I'm going to actually be able to put a third one in on this side. The way I spaced them, I'll be able to fit one more in down this end, and they'll be equally spaced. And then I'm going to put a long counter this whole length of the wall. I'm going to do a slab countertop on some cabinets with a live edge. Other than that, you can already see how much more light's in here with one more window, and then I'm going to put a full bay window or something on the other side. We'll figure that out as we get there. But remember, simple life's an easy life. Enjoy your small cabin living.